Right from dictation? What is right from dictation? You will hear an audio with a sentence. Once the audio is done, type your answer. You will get 3 or 4 questions. It heavily contributes to listening and writing. You can add extra words if you have doubts. For example, if you're confused with the singular or the plural, type both the words. And if you're confused with the spelling, type both the spelling. And if you're confused with the capitalization, and you have to know where you have to capitalize the word. For example, you have to capitalize the name of a person, name of a place, name of an organization, or name of language. For example, French, German, Spanish, English. So use your time wisely because it is the last question in the listening and also in your PTE exam. You should have at least 5 minutes to finish this. So use your time properly and attend all the questions to get your desired score. See you in next video.